how to edit a sent email in Outlook. So if you want to edit a sent email in an Outlook, then what you need to do is first open up your Outlook and try to send an email. So I'll just simply go with new email. And once you go with new email, you need to enter the address, enter the subject. Once you're done with everything, you need to just simply go with send and send it. After sending it to the person, here you will have an option of, once you send your mail, you need to go with the sent mail, and then on the top you will have move option. You need to click on move, and from move you will have all of these options, which is rules, actions, and more. So you need to just simply click on the actions button. From actions you will have all of these options again. You need to go with recall the message, and once you click on recall this message, you will have these two options, which is delete unread copies of these message, and the second one is delete unread copies and replace with a new message. You can go and select any options that you are comfortable with and then go with OK, and you're good to go. That's how you can edit a send email in your Outlook. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.